Okay, so the first thing I'm going to say is this notation that is right here, f of g of x, is a composition of these two functions. Okay, so that's what that little circle means. It means composition. And so we're given two functions, f of x, which equals 3x minus 1. We're also given the function of g of x, which is negative 4x squared plus 2x minus 4. Now we're going to combine or composite these two functions together. And so what we do is you first look at your given. It says simplify. So the first function we're given is f. So we're going to start here, and we're going to write out 3, and then we have an x. So I'm going to stop right there because that's what we're going to substitute in. So wherever x is, we're going to substitute the other function into its spot. So now I'm going to substitute that negative 4x squared plus 2x minus 4. Let's try that one again. Make this a little more clear. Okay, minus 4 parenthesis. Okay, so 3x. And now I'm going to go back to my original function and include the part of the original function. So now the next step that I do, because that's the first step, is to combine the two, to substitute one in wherever there is an x. So just remember that you have to put in wherever there's an x, and since there's only one x here, you want to make sure that's where you substitute. But if this were the other way around and we were substituting this into this, we would have to do it for both the x squared and the x. Okay, so that's a place where I've noticed learners forget to do the other x's. But in this case, it's f of g. So we start with f and we put g into f, and that's what we did right here. Now we're not done because it does say simplify. But so the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to distribute that 3. So 3 times negative 4 gives us a negative 12 x squared. 3 times 2 gives us a 6x, and 3 times negative 4 gives us a negative 12. And then we've got to bring down the negative 1, the minus the 1. We haven't done anything with that one yet. So then the next step would be to combine those like terms. So negative 12x squared plus 6x minus 12 minus 1 gives us a minus 13. And that's it. We're done. We don't have to do any further. That's simplifying f of g of x. That's all there is to it. I do want to mention that f of g of x can also be written like this. And they mean the same thing.